Hello everyone, more problems ahead. The lens of the Bebop are out of focus. And it was caused by the crash in a power cable. Jesus! Damn it. What the hell went wrong, man? Bloody hell. What the hell? The signal is lost or something. Jesus! What the fuck happened? Abort. The signal is lost. Something. Jesus! Jesus! And I don't know how to fix it yet. I'm going to open the Bebop and check what is wrong. So, the problems with the lens. At first glimpse there is nothing wrong with it. Maybe it's internal or something. And there is a mark of the cable here. Here, scratches. Now I'm going to take the old camera of the first Bebop. It's scratched, but it's okay, to see if it's not out of focus like this one. So I take the screw with this screwdriver because it's It's better than these ones. Okay, we're almost done here. And always problems with these things. Okay, let's take off. As we can see, there is nothing wrong with this camera. So let's see if the problem is on the camera or is somewhere in this hardware. We don't know. Bad things happen. The old camera seems to not work anymore. Gives me a black image. Not good. I have discovered the problem, and the problem is this resin is cracked, or whatever it was. As you can see here, this is the main problem. I'm going to try to fix this if I can. See, it's all cracked. It was the impact on the power cable broke this thing, and this first camera is burned up or something. It worked no more. And this is what's inside the Bebop camera. I don't know if I can fix this. Maybe this is not a good idea, but I don't have any things to do in other ways. Let's see what we've got here. Let's test it. I think it's out of focus. Out of focus, damn it. Shit. Autofocus. Damn it. Okay, this is the solution I made today. I don't know if it will work or not, but I'm gonna try to put here between the lens these two things. I have tested, it's not bad at all, but this little plastic ring I made between this and that, I made with this is from a pack plastic bottle, and now I'm gonna clean up this whole mess and glue this thing between these two pieces. Let's pray for this to work. Now we wait the glue to dry. So one day passed, and let's check how this is going. The glue are harder, but I don't think the glue can glue these plastics. So let's see what the hell we've got here. Looks okay. Focus or something. This is the one that doesn't work. I don't know why. Something has happened to it. Let's put this one. I'm gonna put just one screw just for testing, and if it is okay or a crappy image. Let's go and test it. Okay, now this is the moment of truth. If it is going to trash or something. I think it's out of focus. Out of focus, damn it. Shit. Out of focus. Damn it. Let me try this way. So I'm trying to do something. This, because the camera does this, I cannot focus this properly. It can do this, it's okay, I can focus in this way, but the camera does this and it's very hard to focus. Now I'm going to try to change this for this. This lens is cracked, but it's okay. It doesn't interfere in the image. This is I have dismantled this camera, but it's risky because this can take dust and particles, but I have no chance to do nothing else. And I think this is not making good contact or something. As you can see, this is not good doing this, but I have no choice. I'm gonna try to put this in here. Maybe I lose two cameras. I don't know. More light. Very complicated thing to do. First, I'm gonna take these off. That's okay now. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to try to put this off, take this off. There you go. There's one particle in there. Okay. Okay, I don't care, it's both the same. Let's do this. It's okay. I think it's okay. Now let's test it. And it's working. It's working. Okay, so far so good. Let's mount this thing all together. Let's put it back all together. Let's test it outside first. See that size. Oh, focus. Fucking kidding me. So this is a total despair. I have dismantled all the pieces of the camera, as you can see, and the thing in this camera is that when you put this on, it gets loose, and even you are trying to focus like this, the camera does this too. So it is hard to focus something with this shaking like that. The thing I do is I'm trying to put this thing. I made this out of a bottle, of a plastic bottle, and I'm going to put this here in the middle of it. Let's see, to maintain. Wait a second, if I can. I don't know if it will work, because a few problems. Okay, is in. Now you put this here, like that. Let me see, and it doesn't shake. Not much. Maybe now I can focus with different thing. Doesn't shake anymore. Just a little bit, but it's okay. It's to maintain this straight. I'm gonna try to do something with this, like this. Now I'm in the zero position, starting from zero, no drones at all.